And what if I told you that everything you know about the planet we live on is a lie? Well, there's an interesting theory called the flat earth theory that basically believes this, that we're all being lied to about the very place we live on. And it's an emerging theory, and a lot of people are actually starting to follow it. And some people have even called it an anti-science movement. So in an extreme case, it could even go as far as getting like science programs like NASA defunded in an extreme case, which would affect our everyday lives. So after a lot of research on this topic, I'll be discussing what exactly the flat earth theory is, who believes in it, and reasons why people do or don't believe in the theory. So, the flat earth theory is a theory that the earth is basically flat. And in a modern depiction of it, it looks like this. It's like a flat disc, and in the center is the North Pole, and around it are all the continents, and at the outer edge is Antarctica, and there's like a film over it where all the stars and like the sun and stuff are. And a lot of people are actually starting to believe in this theory. In a poll ran by data journalist Huang Nguyen, 2% of Americans actually believe in this theory. And now 2% might not seem like a lot of people, but 2% of all Americans is roughly 6 million people, and that's in the U.S. alone. So, there's actually the Flat Earth Society that was established by Daniel Shenton in 2004. The Flat Earth Society has a public website where you can find a bunch of resources on flat Earth, and you can see there's a lot of members in the website. And a featured member in the website is Mark Sargent. And Mark Sargent, he has a YouTube channel with over 70,000 subscribers, and he actually holds flat Earth conventions. And so some of the reasons why people believe in this, well, there's a variety of reasons, but there's like two aspects to them. So there's pseudoscientific reasons and also like religious or spiritual reasons. So the first, like spiritual or religious reason is so this is a quote from a flat Earth convention in Southern California, taken by National Geographic. And she said that she believes in the flat Earth because it goes to show that you're not a mistake and you're created and you have a purpose, basically. So this kind of stems from a literal interpretation of the Bible. So having a flat Earth goes to show that we're not like a cosmic mistake, and we weren't like created by the Big Bang, but instead like God purposely created a flat Earth, and everything He did was created for a reason, and it doesn't have to make sense because we don't understand like His mind. So it doesn't really have to make sense like because of the evidence and stuff. He just created it a certain way. And then there's also like more scientific reasons. So the Flat Earth Society on their webpage, they say that like a scientific reason as to why you know the Earth is flat is because the horizon always rises to meet eye level. That's like one of the ways that they explain the Earth being flat. And so I know a lot of you might be thinking, well, what about like all the pictures and like astronauts and going to the moon and everything, and we can see that planets are like spherical. Well, what they have to say about that is that basically everything is fake. Like all the photos, they've all been photoshopped, and everything is like all just made up. And the astronauts have actually been bribed or coerced into this big lie. And so the reason that they think that it's all a lie is because they think that for some reason like bigger like theories like this. So in 2019, they went to the biggest lake in California to run like a simple test that like anyone could run to prove that the Earth is actually round. So this test was first ran by Aristotle back in his day. So what this test kind of works is that like in a spherical planet, as a boat is going further in distance, you'll see less of it because it's going over the curvature. So they went out to conduct this test, and they invited a lot of flat earthers, and it's like to just prove that the Earth's actually spherical. So just as Aristotle, they found that it's actually true. So they took this big tarp with stripes on it, and they went like far out in the water, and the stripes started to disappear, like as they were going over the curvature. And Mark Sargent was actually invited to this event, and then what he had to say about it was that it's just an illusion from the heat coming out of the water, and that it proves nothing, and that the Earth is still flat. So that really did nothing for him. And then other ways that people have gone to like disprove this theory is like science journalist Stephanie Papa. She says like some way that you can just prove yourself is that different like the higher further up you go, the more you see of the planet. And if you were on a flat Earth, you would be able to just see everything from a straight distance. So well, it is a growing like theory, and a lot of people do believe in it. There are still people that don't believe in it. And so in reality, so we talked about what it is, why people believe or don't believe in it, and some famous theorists. And in reality, you never really know the truth unless you go out and test it for yourself.